If you're like me, you want to be able to make a living by working online, but you have no idea what to do or how to get started. Well, let me ask you, have you thought about selling digital products online? In this video, I'm going to give you an overview on how to sell digital products online, covering everything from product creation to marketing strategies. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to launch your first digital product and start your online business journey. So, what exactly are digital products? Think of them as things you can sell online that people can download or access without needing anything physical, like a book or a CD. For example, instead of writing a physical book, you could create an eBook, a digital version that someone can read on their computer or tablet. Other digital products could be an online course, a piece of artwork, or even music that someone can buy and download directly. Why are digital products a good idea? Well, once you create something, you can sell it over and over again without having to make more of it. You don't need to worry about storing anything or paying for shipping. It's passive income. You can set up automated systems and make sales 24/7. Plus, you can reach people all over the world. Whether you're looking to create a side hustle or build a full-time business, if you are passionate about an idea or hobby and love creating and want to monetize your skills, digital products can give you the flexibility and creativity to provide you with one or several income streams. Now, let's talk about figuring out what to sell. Start by thinking about what you enjoy doing or what you're good at. Maybe you've always been great at knitting. Could you create a guide or video course teaching others how to knit? Or perhaps you have a talent for taking beautiful photos. Could you sell those photos online? Once you have a few ideas, see if other people are interested in them. This is called market research. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research, and social media to gauge interest. You can check if others are selling similar products or if people are searching for them online. If you see that there's interest, you know you're on the right track. So you've got your idea, now it's time to create your product. Don't worry, you don't need fancy tools or a lot of technical know-how. For instance, if you're writing an ebook, you could use a simple word processor like Microsoft Word. If you're making an online course, you can just record yourself talking on your smartphone or computer. The key is to keep it simple, but make sure it's good quality. Take your time to do it right. And if you're not sure about something, ask for help or look for tutorials online. There are plenty of tools and resources out there designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Before you start selling, it's important to think about who you want to sell to. Who would be interested in your product? Are they beginners, experts, or somewhere in between? Knowing your audience will help you create something they really want. Next, decide how much to charge for your product. You don't want to charge too little or too much. Look at what others are charging for similar products to get an idea. Finally, think about how you'll get the word out. You can use social media, tell your friends and family, or even create a simple website. The goal is to let people know about your product so they can buy it. Don't worry, there are websites that make this really easy. Some popular ones are Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify. These platforms guide you through setting up your store step by step. When choosing a platform, look for one that's easy to use and doesn't charge too much in fees. Some might take a small percentage of your sales, so keep that in mind. Once you've picked a platform, setting up your store is pretty straightforward. You'll need to upload your product, write a description, and set a price. Make sure your description is clear and tells people exactly what they're getting. Add a few pictures or even a short video to show off your product. Then, make sure everything works correctly before you start selling. You don't want any surprises when people start buying from you. To start selling, you'll need to let people know about your product. Start with your existing network. Tell friends, family, and anyone else you know who might be interested. You can also share it on social media or join online groups where people might be interested in what you're offering. As you start to get sales, it's important to provide good customer service. Be quick to respond to questions and handle any issues promptly. This helps build trust and encourages people to buy from you again. Now, once you've made your first few sales, you might start thinking about how to make even more money. One way is to create more products. You could offer a bundle of products for a special price. or create something new that complements what you've already made. Another way to grow is by getting more people to know about your products. You could start an email list to keep in touch with customers or spend a little money on ads to reach more people. Over time, you'll learn what works best for you and how to make the most of your online store. So there you have it. Selling digital products online can be a simple and rewarding way to make money. It's all about finding the right idea, creating something valuable, and then getting it in front of the right people. With a little patience and persistence, you can turn your skills and passions into a successful online business. Check back with me as I further delve deeper into the different aspects of digital products. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Good luck with your digital product journey.